We're outside again today, so it might be a bit noisy, but we're going to try and retry last episode and fix this tablet. So, let's open it. So we will heat it up first so the screen will come off easier. Now we're going to try and pop it off. I'm going to do it off camera because it's a bit harder than I thought. Right, so I've got the back plate off, but I'm going to try and do another POV so you can see it a bit better. So I hope that's a bit better for you. And I'm going to start unscrewing the little screws so we can take the circuit board out. Don't forget to put them in a tray. I like to use the back of the tablet for this. Now we need to take out the little connections. Let's pop off this battery. If you don't know what you're doing, please don't try this at home because lithium batteries can be dangerous. So yeah, and if you do it at home, then just be very careful because lithium batteries can be dangerous if you don't know what you're doing with them. So there we are, we got the battery off. Nice battery. Now we're going to take out these leads. So, I'm getting the last tinsel leads out now. So, I think that's pretty much all of them. We can peel this off. We can peel this off from here. Now that's off. And now we can desolder the little speaker cables from here quickly. So now that's both off. We can probably pop out this circuit board. If not, I'll have a look at it off camera. Right, I'm going to look at it off camera and try and get it out. Right, so now I've got it out. It just took a bit of prying. Now I'm going to try and desolder this little bit here off camera. So I've got it off and now I'm going to solder the new one on. So guys, this was another fail. The little traces broke off again. So I suggest you do not try and fix your tablets because they will not work, because they will break. So just buy a new one, it's way easier. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, put the little notification bell on so you never miss another video.